Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Big news for thousands of H-1B visa holders and their families. The US Department of Justice under Donald Trump. Yes, you heard that right. The Trump administration has decided to defend an Obama-era policy that allows spouses of certain H-1B workers to work in the United States. Stick with me for a full story because this decision impacts thousands of immigrant families, including many from India. Let's rewind a bit and understand where this all began. In 2015, under the Obama administration, the Department of Homeland Security introduced a rule that guaranteed work permits, officially known as employment authorization documents, to spouses of H-1B visa holders, but only if the H-1B worker was already in the process of getting a green card. The spouses are typically on what's called an H-4 visa. Before 2015, H-4 visa holders were not allowed to work in the United States, which led to frustration and financial strain for many families. And 2015 rule changed that, giving many skilled spouses the chance to work, earn, and contribute to the economy. But this policy didn't go unchallenged. An organization called Save Jobs USA filed a lawsuit arguing that the Department of Homeland Security didn't have the authority to give work permits to H-4 spouses. They claimed it hurt American workers by increasing job competition. This legal battle has been going on for years, and many believe that Trump administration would side with those opposing the rule, especially given Trump's stricter immigration stance. So, here's the twist. Instead of trying to end the policy, the Trump Department of Justice has now defended it in the court. In a recent filing, they argued that the Obama-era rule was within the Department of Homeland Security authority. They also pointed out that giving work permits to the spouses helps reduce the hardship faced by families waiting for the green cards, a process that can take many years, especially for Indian nationals. So why does this matter so much? Well, the H-1B program brings tens of thousands of skilled workers to the United States each year, many of them from India working in technology, healthcare, and other high-demand industries. For years, their spouses, often equally skilled professionals, had to put their careers on hold. The ability to work gives these families financial stability, better integration into the society, and a sense of purpose. The case is still going on in the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, though. So, while the Department of Justice defense is a positive sign for H-4 spouses, the final outcome depends on the court's ruling. If the court sides with Save Jobs USA, the work permit could still be at risk. But for now, the Trump administration stance gives hope to thousands of immigrant families. So, to sum it up, in a surprise move, the Trump DOJ has defended an Obama-era policy allowing certain H-4 visa holders, that's the spouse of H-1B workers, to get the work permit in the United States. This decision could have a major impact on immigrant families, especially those from India and also China, who have been waiting years for permanent residency. We'll keep an eye on how the courts decide, because the future of thousands of families hanging in the balance. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more immigration news that matters to you. Until next time, friends, take care.